Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Haloveaa. I hope you all are fine and healthy. So today I'm using this Onida microwave oven for quite some time. It's around you could say more than 4 years, around 5 years, and I have uploaded a video of its manual, its review. It's already in the on the channel if you want to have a look. So, and today what I'm going to do, I was thinking about this thing from quite a long time, that I'll make a video of its cleaning, because I tried a lot of methods previously, and the best one that I have found for my microwave to clean this, you can say how dirty it is right now, as we are using to heat up all the things we are baking in this. So, and also I'm getting a lot of questions regarding its all the functions. So soon I'll be uploading a video for all the functions this model has provided. So to begin the cleaning, what I'm going to do, what I have done, I've taken a microwave safe bowl, okay, and it is full of water. I will squeeze a lemon into it, and I've put the peel of the lemon inside itself, okay. So I'm just going to run this microwave for around 5 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes. It should be the time that the water should evaporate, the lemon in the water. So it will, what it will do, it will just uh, all the vapors should be inside the microwave, okay. So let me just close it. I'm going to, you can do it either way, okay. So I'm just setting the timer to 5 minutes, give it a start. So after 5 minutes, you can see the droplets of water all around, okay. So just leave it for close it and leave it for around 2 to 3 minutes. Let it cool down a little bit, so that we can like we'll be able to clean it. So next you are going to need this soda. This is the normal baking soda we are using, edible soda we're using in our kitchens. So this one packet I took, and this is the white vinegar. This is normal we are using for cooking also. So these two are readily available in our kitchens. What I have done, I have just added this vinegar in a spray bottle, okay. So now our microwave is done. It is almost 3 minutes that we have evaporated the lemon juice. So what I'll do now, just remove this. Now you have to take this soda and sprinkle it everywhere, okay. I'll just remove this plate, because this you can wash separately. Just take it on your hand and sprinkle it all over. On the door also I'm going to do it. Next set, we spray vinegar over it, all the spaces. I think my spray bottle is not working very finely. Just spray all vinegar over it, and the vinegar will react with soda and it will produce CO2. It will help in the cleaning. Okay, so once the bubbles stop to come out, you can start the cleaning. See, you can use any towel or tissue paper also you can use here. It will clean very easily. Just rub it once, all the spaces, and then leave it for some time so that all your baking soda and vinegar will spread thoroughly on all the corners. It will remove all the oil, everything. You don't have to do a lot of efforts by using this process. So I'm going to do it for the top as well. Okay, now just leave it, close it and leave it for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, I think already it's quite clean. What I'll do, I'll just use the same lemon peel and I'll rinse it one time from all the places, and then just you have to clean it with a cloth. So just take care of the top part because it is the most dirtiest one. Just rinse all the corners. See, I'll just take another one. Just take care of these corners. It's done. I'll just take a towel. Let me show you. See, I've not done any aggressive cleaning. Still, see, it's all clean. I'll just wipe it out with a wet towel, all the corners. You can see all the corners almost I have cleaned. See, using lemon in this cleaning process is that you can clean the corners by either using a brush also. So by lemon, all the bad smell of this microwave will go. So friends, just let me know in the comment section that which method you are using, and just try it my method once, because I tried a lot of other methods also, but this one I thought to share with you because it's most helpful for me. So let me just clean all the corners, then I'll show you the end result as well. Please subscribe to our channel, like like this video, share this video with your friends, with your family who are struggling like me to clean up their microwaves. See, I'll show you the top also. It's very much clean. The most important thing is that you don't have to give it a rigorous rinse. All the things will come out by this method. So friends, here is the final result. So you can see the cleanliness and everything. Okay, I washed these parts also, so let me just install it. Here you go. It's again the new beautiful and clean microwave that you can use. So I'm doing this every 2 months or 3 months depending on your usage, how you are using it, what all things you are making in this microwave. So just friends, again I'll tell you one thing, that now we are not making any paid videos. These all are only user reviews, only personal experiences. So please do like and share this video to keep us motivated so that we can make more of such videos for everyone. Thank you friends. Just subscribe the channel as well. Thank you.